Hello, Zevida here. I vlog on lifestyle, DIY, faith, yes, my faith, and everything in between, including gist. Yes, so today's video is gist o'clock. Alright, my old subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new here, would you be kind enough to click the subscription button? I mean, it's going to mean so much to me, and it's very free, it's completely free. Alright, so let's jump into today's gist. So today's gist is about my beloved sewing machine. Alright, okay, let me take you down the memory lane so you understand why it's my beloved though. Alright, since as far back as I could remember, I've always loved to sew. Not sew. I've always loved that we had a sewing machine in my house, like a personal sewing machine while growing up, yes. And because what I desired that was there was really no clothes I would not adjust or hem. It didn't move matter if it was coming from the tailor or seamstress place. Like once I'm getting like this, I'm grabbing my needle and thread and I'm just sewing and sewing, I'm just adjusting. Including school uniform. Hey, school uniform, those days, my school skirts, because I was in boarding house, housewear and everything. So just always something to adjust or something to tack. Either it's a zip or you're hemming it or it's too big or you've added weight. I want to lose. It was just always something to adjust to. I remember there was a time I just collected the clothes from a seamstress place, from a tailor's place, fashion designer, whatever language works, so whatever country you're in. And I remember I brought it home and I entered my room and as usual I just grabbed my needle and thread and then I was just adjusting and sewing. And then my mom walked in and she was just shaking her head. She was like, "Is there any tailor who can satisfy you?" Yeah, she continued by sewing, you know. So that was what made me desire I wished we had a personal sewing machine at home, because you know all those times with me sewing with needle and thread, after just running through a sewing machine and then it would have been perfect though. So I just continued with my hand though. So moving to 100 level, 200 level, first degree I went like that. But after my NYC, I was just at home one day and then mom just said it in passing. Okay, I think before she said that, my elder sister had a sewing machine. She's a fashion designer, and at that time I think my desire for sewing was dying small. You know, what would define now? All of this where I wished there was a sewing machine and then there wasn't. So I think desire have died, Joe. So that was how one day, I don't know what jumped in my head. I don't know where a sewing machine was. I was not pressing it. That was when I broke something like. I was not praying you will not notice. But apparently she noticed when I started apologizing. I'm sorry. She said she don't want to hear. I just turned to her like, what was it there? But thankfully what I broke wasn't that expensive. So I just went to, so that day I just went out. I was like, I'll go and fix this, but what is the thing I broke? So I was just going to market. I was like, please direct me. When can I get this thing to sew? To get, because it was a part of the sewing machine. I was thinking it was going to be very expensive or would be scarce. So just like, please direct me, help me. Where do I get this thing now? So that day, where I just stopped, where I just saw the bike pants to stop, like I just looked. There was a woman that sells I saw that she had sewing machine with her and everything. So I just stopped. I was like, "Ma, do you have this thing?" Because I went to the sample of what I spot. She was like, "Yeah, she has it." Then she said the price. I was like, "Is that cheap?" She said, "Yeah." And I told her, I just thought she was repairing sewing machine. So I told her, I was like, I have the sewing machine that I would love to fix. Okay, yeah, that's the part I didn't say. Like after my NYC, before I spot Mr. Machine, after my NYC, my mom just said this in passing that our mom, which is my grandmother now, had a sewing machine back then when they were growing up, that she even used to sew dresses or some simple styles for them. I was like, grandma's sewing machine, we are going to carry it, we are going to carry it. She was like, I said, I don't want to hear anything, we are going to carry it though. And then grandma was already old, of blessed memory. As the day she was still alive, and she was old, and then she was really nothing she could do with this. Because mom was saying she used to help her thread the needle when her vision wasn't that clear again. So that was when I went to grandma's place. I was like, "Grandma, give me your machine." She was like, "Take it now, there's nothing I'm doing with it." So I think it's just staying there, gathering dust and everything. So I was just saying, thank you. So I had that machine at home, but maybe I don't get the hand, I should have abandoned it. So after I now spoiled my sister's machine, and then I got a particular instrument or two, and I saw the woman who sells this. I was not asking her, she repairs machine. I was like, "Ma, can you repair machine?" I actually have a machine because of grandma's machine, I just abandoned it at home. Needed repair and service, and I didn't know where to take it to. That I actually have a machine at home that needs repair. She was like, "Yeah, I should bring it." I said, "This machine is old." She was like, "Yeah, I should bring it." And another time we had moved from our previous apartment to a new apartment. So I'd even left that machine in that old apartment. That's why I told myself we are going to carry this machine. Say, I shall drag I went to carry it in our old apartment. When I took it that woman, that's why she fixed it too. And this machine was working fine. Like I made a purse with it, I made a bag with it. Now the gist now is there was that because I made a sample bag, and then the unit I was wanted to do children party, Christmas children party, and I was like, I could make like a mini lunch bag for them more. I don't know, sense me. That was why I collected the contract to make 300 lunch bag. Thinking about it now, I'm asking myself that what made you think you could pull that through? But okay, let me say that apart from being a YouTuber, I'm also an entrepreneur. So maybe it was an entrepreneurial spirit. I was like, God, you can do it. I was like, what made you think you can pull that through? Because when I attempted sewing one bag, I spent the whole day. And I was collecting 300 bags, and I had less than a month. I think a month and 2 weeks to pull it through. I was like, hey, Jesus. I shall collected it though. That was when I embarked on it though. I sewed it. I sewed it. Well, the bottom line is, I shall finish that, completed that, and I was just so proud of myself. Okay, now, the gist of what I called my beloved machine was, after all that thing, I just left it at home. I went for my master's, so I left it at home. So I got a new machine, thinking this was going to be better and faster, and I won't have to work with that one. I think, yeah, I'm going to, at the end of this video, I'll show you a clip of the machine, like a picture of when I'm sewing the machine. So I got this new machine, and then I realized that as much as it was good and everything, it wasn't leather friendly like that. I mean, I do mostly in leather, making of leather work. Like I said, I'm an entrepreneur. If you'd like to see some of my products, so just check out OG_accessory on Instagram. So it wasn't really leather friendly. Or to say a bag, I was spending hours. I was not like, hey, I wish I'd carried down my machine. Oh, that machine is good, it's good. Oh. That's why I went back home the last time. Oh, and then I told myself I was going to carry it. But my mom was like, you just like load. What is your problem? I say, you don't understand. That machine used to suffer my head. Oh. That was like, carry that machine. Oh. And brought it back. I brought it home. Yeah, I brought it back to my base, like I said. And you know what? Ever since I brought it, like I've been sewing all the sewables. I'm telling you, all the bags that I had cut out, wallets that had cut out that my machine wasn't allowing me to sew because it wasn't moving smoothly on the leathers because they were thick. Like I'm sewing fine with this one. So I'm like, you know what I mean? It's like I just told myself, my beloved machine. I don't think I'm going to give this machine out. Like, I don't think so. I'm like, I just love it. Okay, now that I've said the story, what's the moral lesson of the story? But wait, maybe it's gist now. No one ever said gist as moral lesson. I think you should be able to bring up one moral lesson now. I think one moral lesson is I think one moral lesson is feel the fear. Yes, I've got one. One moral lesson is feel the fear, but do it anyway. Okay, at least I was fearful about completing the 300 bags, but I just did this anyway, and then I pulled it through, and then it does mean that confidence stronger in. It just made more confidence that you can collect more contracts and you can do it. Please, if you think there's any other moral lesson, just send me out this in the comment section. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, before I end this video, shout out to Amending Bridges. You can check them out on YouTube. It's all about living a chaste, a chaste, focused, and purposeful life. And I ain't nothing like living a purposeful life. I don't think life is worth living if you're not going to work in purpose. And there is no greater purpose than living the life that Jesus Christ, your Lord, has ordained for you to live. So if you don't accept Jesus Christ as the Lord and personal Savior, I think we should do that. We should do that right now. You should ask Him to come into your life and then start living the life He's ordained for you to live. Alright.